quiet laboratory, a scientist held a small metal sphere. He had no idea it would become one of the deadliest objects ever studied. The object was not a weapon, it was an experiment. But the scientists working with it were studying a force they were still learning to control. The sphere contained plutonium, one of the most powerful materials ever created by humans. Scientists called it the demon core, and its story would become a warning about the limits of human curiosity. The first accident happened in 1945. During a criticality experiment, a scientist was testing how close the material could get to a dangerous reaction. But one small movement changed everything. The room filled with a burst of radiation. There was no explosion, no fire, no sound. The danger was invisible. The scientists survived the accident, but the damage had already begun. The incident became one of the first warnings about nuclear research. But the demon core was not finished. 3 years later, the same object would take another life. This time, the experiment was performed by scientist Louis Slotin. He was known as one of the best researchers in the field, but he was performing a dangerous procedure manually. A simple mistake would change everything in less than a second. The screwdriver slipped. For a brief moment, the room changed. Witnesses reported a strange blue glow surrounding the experiment. But the worst part was that the danger was already over before anyone understood it. There was nothing to fight, nothing to see. The invisible energy had already passed through everything. Slotin received a massive dose of radiation. He knew immediately what had happened. 9 days later, he died. The demon core had killed 2 scientists. But the real danger was not the object itself. It was the confidence of people who believed they understood it. The experiments changed forever after these accidents. Remote tools replaced human hands. Distance became the difference between discovery and disaster. Today, nuclear science powers cities and explores the universe. But every breakthrough carries a warning. Knowledge without caution can become dangerous. The demon core was not a monster. It was simply a piece of matter, following the laws of physics. The real mystery was human behavior. How far should we go to discover something new? And how much risk is acceptable? Every invention in history has carried the same question. Are we controlling our creations? Or are they controlling us? The demon core disappeared from history, but its lesson remains. The most dangerous experiments are not always the ones that fail. Sometimes they are the ones that teach us too late.